Day 1. It was really hard. The boat was getting totally wet and we had to work on the ship for 18 months with chains on our legs so we couldn't escape. Finally, we reached this new place. They decided to call it Port Jackson. We started to plant seeds. They took forever just to grow 1 centimeter. We hardly had any food and supplies for the whole colony. Day 2. Our clothes were all dirty and wet. The only way we could clean them was by putting them in the water. The water was very clean as it didn't have much dirt or junk in it. The only way we could dry it was by waving it in the air for 10 minutes to make it fully dry and nice to wear. Our arms were really tired, but it was better than having sloppy, filthy, disgusting clothes on our nice warm skin. Day 3. We were getting really bad punishments. We had to mine for a whole day without taking a break. We could only have water, but we still had to mine while we were drinking the water, which was even harder. Life was terrible. There was no escape except for swimming 23 miles, and we would risk getting eaten by a shark. Only a few tried to escape, and most of them died by drowning. Day 4. We were getting ready for our new jobs. There was a blacksmith and a silversmith. I have not heard of these jobs except for the blacksmith. I went in the job stand and became a blacksmith. I made swords of hard steel. They took a long time to make because we had to put the swords into molds with molten steel, and someone burnt their finger off. It wasn't bleeding until the whole thing fell off, and we had to cover it with some cotton to stop the blood dripping out of his finger. He was screaming like mad. We also made armor made from iron and made some into chains. We had a great time, except for the guy who burnt his finger off. Day 5. This day we got food from England and no one starved for a whole month. We also got pickaxes to help with the mining because all of the old ones were really blunt and broken. The ship also brought axes to help cut down trees and help build more houses. Day 6. I was 56. I was going to die by old age. They gave me good care, but I died from a disease which was called scurvy. I got this on the trip out.